Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to change image perspectives. So let's open our Photoshop app, and here as you can see I have a billboard background and an image here, and I really want to put this image on this billboard in perspective. How can I do it? Well, it's really simple. First, you have to make sure that you flatten the image. To do that, right click on it and then select Rasterize Layer, and thus you have flattened the image. Now select the marquee tool and then highlight it completely. Click on Copy and then click on Ctrl D to deselect. Now you can hide this layer. Now what you have to do is create a new layer and then select Filter. Go to Vanishing Point and then here trace the billboard, like which part is suitable for your image. Now click Ctrl V, the image will be here. Resize the image first to the billboard size so that it doesn't get cut off or distorted. Like this. And now hit OK. And here as you can see that this image has been put into perspective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.